And he's not going to be long, so I'm going to start talking about him now.
Good.
Okay, could you ask him to fade down, please?
Fade down, please.
Well, if you look out right now to your extreme left, you will see an incredible human being. Rick Volker is thrilled to be back at Geneseo to entertain you with aerobatics in his Sukhoi. For those of you who have not yet seen Rick fly, let me explain what you've been missing. Rick excelled in competition and came up through the U.S. aerobatic contest categories, dominating the highest level of competition, flying Pitts and Sukhoi aircraft. He won the Canadian-American Aerobatic Challenge in 2004. He is more comfortable when not flying at this great level, and he enjoys designing unique maneuvers to demonstrate the edges of the airplane envelope. Rick flew the World War II Spitfire Mark 9 in one of the most graceful aerobatic air shows ever seen. He followed this with participation as a member of the Canadian Heritage Flight Team, flying the Spitfire in formation with the CF-18 Hornet. He is one of a handful of pilots in the world who has flown all three fighters of the Battle of Britain, the Spitfire, the Hurricane, and the Messerschmitt Bf-109E. And knowing Rick, he is one of the even smaller number of pilots who has flown them at the edge of their performance envelope. This experience resulted in Rick being asked to be the test pilot for the only Messerschmitt Bf-109G to fly in North America. For the last 4 years, Rick's aerial performance demonstrated what he can do in a Mark IV Harvard. Those who have seen that display are forever spoiled. Rick flew the Harvard like it was a modern aerobatic aircraft with maneuvers such as rolling turns, tail slides, avalanches, snap rolls, and hammerheads. On the takeoff roll right now, Rick Volker in the Sukhoi.
Actively texting and talking about.
Now, Rick demonstrates what only a few pilots in the world can do in each aircraft that he flies. He invents original complex maneuvers in his Sukhoi, but other pilots have not yet been able to copy. They call this type of flying freestyle, and is completely outside the box of traditional aerobatic maneuvers. Most aerobatic pilots stick to a traditional figure that you have seen many times at air shows, but there's another dimension to flying beyond this traditional understanding that only a few pilots learn to access. This is the world of gyroscopic effects. A big propeller behaves like a child's gyroscopic toy. Think of a person holding onto a spinning bicycle wheel by the axles. When you try and turn the spinning wheel sideways, it does not go as planned. There's a strong effect that pushes the wheel in different directions than intended. Rick has developed an understanding for how this strange gyroscopic effect can be used to actually pull his airplane out of the air, allowing the airplane to literally spin around the propeller. He travels back and forth from traditional modes of flying in the air to the world of spinning tops that do not pay attention to the expected rules of flight. For me to explain each maneuver takes so much time that I would quickly get behind, so I will leave much of that to your imagination. You'll watch traditional maneuvers explode into bizarre spinning or tumbling, or even cartwheeling, and returning to perfect normal flight. Look for things that do not make sense. That's when Rick crosses over into the gyroscopic world, but complete control. We'll demonstrate many different types of these maneuvers today. Let me tell you a little bit about the aircraft he's flying. The Sukhoi SU26 made its public debut in 1989 and quickly became the dominant aerobatic aircraft at the World Aerobatic Championships. This design still places at the top of world competitions. Since there are only about 60 of these aircraft built, their princess is gradually increasing. The Sukhoi design bureau, the current builder of military jet fighters in the Soviet Union, designed the SU26. The goal was to build an aircraft that was so strong and durable that the pilots become the only leading factors in flight. The SU26 was the first aircraft to be built with advanced cockpit systems for authority and training. The result is a wing that has been tested to stand for 26 The SU-26 uses a 9-cylinder radial engine with a 360 to 400 horsepower. It is geared down so it can turn the large propeller that will clear the ground. The result is an aircraft can almost hover like a helicopter. Power on this boat uses most zero, but it can also fly at 280 miles per hour. The seat is reclined at 35 degrees to improve pilot G tolerance and visibility. Look closely, you'll see the extensive use of titanium parts. The Sukhoi Design Bureau was given a blank check to design this aircraft. Novel ideas abound. The engine does not use an electric starter. It has an air tank that turns the engine over to start and replenishes itself with an onboard air compressor. The smoke system you can see today is powered by the same air system. This setup allows for better starts when the aircraft is left outside in the cold side of your inlet. Rick takes advantage of the many special traits this aircraft is known for. The wings have front edges to improve slow-speed flight. They keep the plane flying longer during extreme changes of direction. The oversized propeller creates the huge spinning effect. Rick has harnessed these effects to produce a whole different class of maneuver. And other shows, the Rick's doubling is calculated, exact, and in complete control. He starts and stops anywhere he wants to at any time. Rick is known for designing signature moves that others try to copy. Rick is also known for his precision that has enabled Rick to excel in unlimited aerobatic championships, and that's what separates the master from the students. I asked Rick what power settings he uses for his special maneuvers. He says he uses 2 levers. Lever A is pushed to full power, and then lever B. Okay, I don't like that line. Enjoy the beautiful sound of this radial engine. Flying this way is hard on a pilot's body. It's a punishing and very much. Next to this punch is not light, it is short. Very strong is getting very restricted sports to help you cope with these forces. We started as a competitive swimmer, then ended as world bodybuilding and weightlifting. This led to bicycle racing, speed skating, and cross-country ski racing. You might guess it's a bit of competitive in nature, and you'll be right. He lifts weights 4 times a week, as heavy as he can, and currently bicycle races at the World Championship level event in the sprint level. Rick has flown over 40 different types of aircraft. Sukhoi is his favorite. He even likes it more than Spitfire. This one aircraft literally has no limitation in how hard you can fly it. Unfortunately, an internal flight power of the Sukhoi actually led one of the designers to destroy all the holes of this plane. Rick Sukhoi remains the most Sukhoi actuators in North America. Watch and listen, and you can see how this aircraft is named in comparison to what you used to see. Rick would like to thank the sponsors for 2018. Parker Aerospace has provided all fuel and auto lines. Cleveland Brake has given them immense stopping power. Buckler Parachute provides Rick the best and most reliable high-speed parachute build. Trig Avionics keeps Rick in perfect communication with the control towers and air mods, gives him the weight and track by APS. American Law headsets are 14 to 120 decibel sound level that are so light that Rick's neck is never overstretched during high winds. Rick would like to thank his lovely wife Trish for years of understanding his competitive mindset. This has come easy for Trish, as she too is a pilot, flying her own 1942 Howard DGA that was on static display here. Look for them both at fly-ins in southern Ontario. Now, one thing I didn't mention, during the week, he pulls teeth. He's a dentist. Today he's pulling everything out of this airplane. Rick would like to thank the National Warplane Museum, the Geneseo Air Show, and all the great volunteers for hosting Rick and Trish at the greatest show on turf.
Last pass.
All right, have your cameras ready as Rick comes in for the last pass. High speed, we're on the right. Give it away, ladies and gentlemen, the crazy dentist from Buffalo, Mr. Rick Volker.